Today, we will show you differences between basic and detailed edition based on F-35A cockpit. Elevate your modeling with ease using our basic edition. All instrument panels are meticulously crafted using advanced 3D decals, providing a realistic and detailed foundation for your aircraft. This edition is perfect for modelers who appreciate efficiency without compromising on quality. For those seeking the utmost control and a hands-on approach, our detailed edition is the ideal choice. In this edition, instrument panels are crafted to perfection, ready to be hand-painted according to your unique vision. The absence of pre-painted details allows for complete customization, giving you the freedom to apply your artistic touch. The detailed edition is crafted for modelers who relish the artistry of manual painting and desire a truly bespoke finish. No matter your choice, both editions exemplify our commitment to precision and quality. Elevate your scale modeling projects with ResKit's instrument panel editions, where craftsmanship meets choice. Choose your edition and bring your vision to life.